everybody, this is my home video of cooking chicken curry at home, and the mother is cooking it. Everything you see and everything you may hear in the background may sound unprofessional due to immature people living within the premises.
Yeah.
Now, step one.
Step one.
I don't really want to comment a lot, but here is a pan, the medium size pan. What is this here? This is not needed. Okay. First of all, here's the chicken. Okay. It's the cutting of the.
Samira.
One onion done. Two onions. Medium sized onions, yeah?
Onion.
Right.
I'm going to put some oil.
How many tablespoons do you think? Just
3.
3 tablespoons. Cooking vegetable oil.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not the best of the. What is this? You didn't say it.
How many
Darjeeling? 1, 2, 3. Elachchi and Darjeeling will be put in the hot oil. What is this you're putting in now? Leaf. Huh? Bay leaf. 3 bay leaves. Salt. Give it the oil. Take it out. It's going to make it disgusting. Okay. Better just simmer in there. Wait, do I have to switch it? It is off. What is this then? It this one does not look nice. It smells nice. Onion is cutting off another onion. How long will this curry take to cook? I mean, to put in the pan. Get some onions, please, from the dormitory. Get some onions from the. Yes.
So I'm going to
I'm trying to make a video, man. Be quiet. Gonna be for Mom's reputation, anymore? Yes. Cutting up the onions now. Be quiet, Mr. Yeah, very nice. Not any fine piece, just anything, no? Just random.
Okay, you pause it.
You can't pause it.
Yeah, but then you make it. You make this. You get this apple seed.
Yeah, we'll do it. Oh, okay, whatever.
So do I go get this?
That?
Take it in there.
For chicken. 2 chicken.
Or 2 chickens.
2 chicken.
2 chicken, yeah?
Yeah.
Not 1.
No, 2 chicken.
This is the amount of onions and ingredients needed to make 2 baby chickens. What is this?
It's,
Show me, show me.
no, itu kita.
Show me, show me.
Garlic
It's লেখা নেই কেন?
paste.
You must put this one in, a chunk of garlic paste. Okay, chunk of that. This is homemade Bangladeshi style chicken curry.
ज़्यादा से नहीं मोर आधा दिखे लिखती.
Everything is being recorded, so and just leave it on small gas, low gas. This is the cutting of garlic or ginger. Ginger.
Yeah.
Just one chunk needed, yes? Put that in there. Right, yeah, give it a stir. Gas level up again. So let that just simmer up and I'll come back to you in the next clip.